Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, confirm the update patch number, and switch to the 1280x720 profile so frame drops don't cost you. Then arm the audio lure and set the camera preset to slot 1. This minimizes pan time. Once done, move to the left corridor and keep the flashlight at half power to avoid AI aggression. Make sure to respond to the first 3 audio blips quickly. Those determine which animatronic targets you next, so act immediately and stay calm. You now enter the complex middle phase. Cycle cameras in a consistent loop, left, stage, right, back, and hold each view about 4 seconds to maintain tracking without triggering the new detection threshold. Once done with a loop, deploy the audio lure on the opposite corridor to split AI focus. Make sure to wait half a second after you hear movement before relocating cameras, because the update enforces instant resets. Keep flashlight pulsing, 2 short blinks then a pause, to conserve battery and avoid glare-triggered responses. You finish by protecting the busiest corridor. When the clock hits the final hour, lock that door and only open for 1.5 seconds to peek. This prevents long exposures that the update punishes. Once done, if an AI becomes stuck or desinced, use the emergency reset. Remember to wait a full 8 seconds so the update's timer clears. Make sure to reload camera preset slot 1 if audio sync breaks. This usually restores tracking within 3 cycles and gets you to the...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.